So tonight it's supposed to snow, so I'm gonna braid my hair. And I love this brand of hair, but in my beauty supply store they were out, so of course I had to get some more of this. I'm out of that, and I had to get a new thing of Shining Jam, and I went with this hair, which this ain't bad, but I still like the other one better. Anyway, I'm gonna separate my hair and then I'll get at y'all later. This is one pack. I separated the rest of it on my couch. I found another bundle. Remember I said I like that hair better, so I had that. And then also that. I'm mad that I bought that bundle. Well, at least I don't have to buy no more hair. He braided the front part for me. This was the third pack of bundles that I found. This is all the hair I had left. So here I am. I'm thinking that I tried this underpainting makeup. Oh Lord. Mm-mm. I don't think I'm gonna like it. Okay, that came out good. Okay. So last night the first night I put some perm rods in it. I mean flexi rods, and they didn't go as planned. And so this time I seen this girl, she braided her ends and she dipped it in water. So I was like, try that. So I did it last night. So it'll be, wavy and dried real good. Okay, that's cute. Try to do some of my edges, but you